In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you a shortcut trick to expanding algebraic terms. So let's say you're given a question x plus y all squared. You're asked to expand this. Okay? The shortcut to expanding this is very simple and straightforward, and this is going to save you a lot of time in the exam. So how do we go about it? All you need to do here is understand that there are two terms in this bracket. We have the first term and then we have the second term. All right, so to apply this shortcut, we'll take the first term, we square it. Please take note, this shortcut is only applicable for powers of 2. That's to say when we have x plus y all squared. If you have powers of 3, it's not applicable. Powers of 4 is not applicable. For cases like that, you have to make use of binomial expansion or the Pascal's triangle. All right. If you want me to drop a video on that, please drop a message in the comment section. All right. So back to what we're talking about. All you need to do here is take the first term, square it. All right. So now we'll take x, which is the first term. We have x squared. Now we'll take the first term, multiply it by the second term. So say x times positive y, which is going to give us positive xy. All right. And then we'll take the results that we get, we'll multiply it by the power. So we're going to have 2 times positive xy to give us positive 2xy. I'm going to take that point again. X times positive y, all right, first term times second term, positive xy, which is what we have, all right, multiply it by the power, you have positive 2xy. Now the last thing you're going to do here is to take the last term here, which is positive y, and then square it. So positive y all squared, that will give us positive y squared. So this is our result. So expanding this. Now we can take another example here. Let's say you're given the question x minus 3 all squared. You're asked to expand this. All right. We apply the same technique again. First, you need to understand that there are two terms here. We have the first term and the second term. All right. So we start with our first term. You take the first term, you square it. So we're going to have x all squared. Then we'll take the first term, multiply it by the second term. All right. So that will give us x times minus 3, which is minus 3x. Then our results will multiply it by the power, which is 2. So we have minus 3x times 2, which is going to give us minus 6x. Then we'll come back to our last term, which is minus 3 all squared. So that will give us minus 3 all squared. All right, minus squared is positive, so 3 squared is positive 9. All right, so we have minus 3 all squared to give us positive 9. So this is our answer here on expanding this. Now another question we have here says x minus 6 all squared. All right, this is also very easy. We just need to apply our shortcut trick and we'll get our answer in split seconds. So this will give us first term squared, we have x squared, and then we have first term multiplied by second term, which is minus 6x. X times minus 6 minus 6x. All right. And then the result multiplied by 2, that will give us minus 6x times 2, which is minus 12x. Then second term all squared, that will give us plus 36. Minus 6 all squared gives you plus 36. So our next question here says expand 2x minus 4 all squared. Again, we have first term and then second term. All right, so take first term all squared, that's 2x all squared. So that will give us 2 squared being 4, so we have 4, and then x squared being 4x squared. Then we go again, first term times second term, that will give us 2x times minus 4, which is minus 8x. All right, then our result multiplied by the power, so we have times 2. So that will give us minus 16x. Please take note, this shortcut is only applicable for powers of 2. All right. And then finally, we have our second term, minus 4 all squared. That will give us plus 16. So this is our answer to expanding this. All right. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos and also drop a comment, like, and share to your colleagues. See you in the next video.